Hello everybody, my name is George Tihanyvari. I am from the I Love Data, and today I will make a video about Xlookup. Xlookup is a Excel formula. We I try to explain how it's work and starting with it. Sorry, my English is not my best skill, but I hope that will be understandable. And but if you have any question, write a comment. So, starting it, the Xlookup is a formula of what we have in if we have two tables, out table and B table, and we want looking a value in the B table from the A. For that, we need the ID or a field that we look up in the B table. See it. Example here is Sarah. Sarah ID is one in the table A, and table B. If we see the ID one, we see the salary value, and I want to copy the value with the formula in the table A. I hope that was clear. So see the formula. The first part of the formula is a lookup value, what we looking in the table B. Here is a cell A3. This is the ID one, and it's blue, so it's easy to look. And the second part of the formula, the lookup array, that's area where we looking the ID from the table A. So we can find here the row where is the ID same in the table A. The third part is a return array. This is the column and field that we want to show in the table A. And this, I think, is a purple column. We want to find the row where is the ID same with the our IDs. The next part of the if not found in the Xlookup is smarter than VLOOKUP. We can write a value if we didn't find the IDs in the table B. What happened? We write to the column something. I wrote the array. So here is you can see the 7 ID don't have in the table B. So in that part, the formula of write the array in the column. And the next part of the match mode, it's 0. 0 is a exact mode. That means if the same ID, if we find the lookup array, we get back the value in that row. But we can, the next smaller example and the next larger, so we can change it. But usually in the real life, we use the one. 0 is exact matches. So I wrote the exact matches. And the last one is a VLOOKUP is come back with the first row when they find the ID. That means in the table B, maybe we have more than one ID one, but if we choose the one, the come back with the first one. I show a bit later. So, but we can the last one and binary sorted ascending and descending the list. So we finish the formulas and hit the enter and come back with the salary to ID one. I show that too. Example, we have the other ID one, and we expanding the and we nothing changed because we choose in our formula the first one. But if we change the last to the first, and I wrote the -1. We come back the last one. And it's smart. This formula is smarter than the VLOOKUP in the IDs because in the VLOOKUP only come back with the right side of the IDs. So, but we can see the IDs anywhere in our B tables. So I hope so that was understandable. And if you have a question, write a comment. And thanks for watching, and push the like button and subscribe if you like it. And sorry for my English. Have a nice day, everybody.